Good morning. When you are uh, when you are running Google vehicle ads, you tend to encounter a lot of errors. And one of those errors is invalid store code. So here we have here an active campaign. And if we go to the products here, you can see that all the products are not active because there's an error with store code. So in order to fix this, we need to go to the Google Merchant Center. Here, as you can see in the Google Merchant Center, it also says not approved. All the products have been disapproved. So don't panic. This issue is very simple, quite simple. The reason why it's saying that is because it cannot be your store code. So what we need to do is we need to check the Google business page, which has the store code. So just go here, click on settings, and then business info, and then stores. Once you have that, as you can see, there is no link business here. So we need to add a profile here. So I'll just pause and I'll add the profile for my client. I already have access to that, but I'll pause and connect the account, and then we can continue from there. Got a lot of accounts here because I have access to many accounts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose the correct account, and then click on next, and then link. Once we have that linked, it will take a few hours for that to connect properly. After that, it will be approved. So now we're back after a few hours. Actually, it's more than 24 hours of waiting because it will really take time. But as you can see now, some of the listings are now approved. You go here, out of 120, 91 are already approved. So as time moves on, all of the products will be approved. And what you can see, the fix that we implemented for this account is very successful, and it fixed the error effectively. That's it. See you again next time, and I'll be posting more videos about Google Ads, AI, and also Google Analytics and other related topics. But if you have a topic that you want to ask, please put it in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Thank you.